in today's Taste of the Town. I'm here in Central Trinidad, Freeport, where we have some delicious street food, and we're gonna take a look to see what Auntie has in store for us. So Auntie, what do you have tonight?
Okay, we have corn soup, cow heel soup, bullhead, goat tripe, hard cow, common cow, and goat meat and the goat head mix.
Okay, so I'll take a portion of the goat meat with the goat head mix.
Okay.
So Auntie, what is your name?
Runa.
Okay guys, so when you come down here to check Auntie out, her name is Runa, and make sure and tell her that I sent you, right?
My husband is here all the time. He just forget to come them home and he got to get hot dogs. But it's mostly when he doesn't be here.
Okay, so she said. So in this pot here we have the bullhead,
Yeah, this one is goat head.
and the other one that she was taking out was the goat head. Can I see what else you have?
Yeah. Here,
We have roti.
that is tripe.
This is goat tripe or pachowni.
Fish.
Yeah.
And this one is common cow.
And this one here is common fowl.
Cow heel.
Cow heel soup. It smells nice. I can smell the dal.
And the cow and corn. Corn soup.
Corn soup. Okay, so this one here is corn soup. So it's cow heel soup and corn soup.
Yeah. See cow heel?
So bullhead and roti, goat head and roti, goat meat and roti, goat belly and roti, home fowl and roti, duck and roti, soup, cow heel soup, corn soup, and chicken soup.